Welcome dear students to the new chapter, that is synthetic drugs and the dyes. The synthetic drugs of dyes contain the two sections. The first section is the synthetic drugs and second section is the synthetic dyes. In this first section we are going to see about the synthetic drugs. The drug means the dry herbs. Definition of the drug is the substance used in the prevention, diagnosis and treatment. Prevent means to prevent the patients from becoming ill. Diagnosis means to detect it, and treatment means to cure the patients. In man and the animals is called the drug. The second definition is drug may be defined as any substance which is used for modifying the physiological system or pathological states for the benefit of the recipient. There are some characteristics of the ideal or the good drug. First one is the action should be at a desired site. Means the action of the drug should be at specific site, means wherever it is required drug action, that have to reach up to that point. This is very necessary for the drug to reach at the particular site. The second, it should act in a system with efficiency and safety. The drug should be efficient, means small amount, maximum results. Safe means no side effects. It should have the minimum side effects. Side effects means after intake of the drug there should not be any side effect. It has to work on specific area with maximum yield. Fourth point is it should not have any toxicity. Fifth is it should not injure to the host tissue inside the body. The body should not tolerate to the drug after some time of the intake of the drug. Classification of the drug. The classification of the drug are of two types depending upon the function of the drug, means action or function of the drug on the physiological system. The first one is antipyretic drug. Antipyretic drug which is responsible for lowering the temperature of the body in the high fever normal temperature. In case of fever there is a balance between the heat production and the heat loss. Heat production is not inhibited, but heat loss is increased by peripheral blood flow. This causes body to lose the heat and lowers the body temperature. It does not affect on the normal body temperature. Example, paracetamol. Analgesics, a substance used to relieve or decrease the sensation of the pain. If patient is suffering from some pain, that has to be decreases its sense of pain by using this drug analgesics. Analgesics is the drug which relieves the pain without loss of consciousness. Example is a morphine. Third type is anesthetics. Anesthetics may be defined as those drugs which produce the insensibility to the vital function of all types of the cell, especially for the nervous system. The effect of anesthetics is reversible, means affected organ return to the normal state as soon as concentration of anesthetics is decreased. There are two types of anesthetics, the general anesthetics and the local anesthetics. The example of anesthetics is the benzocaine. Antidiabetic, the substance which stimulates the release of insulin from the pancreatic beta cells are known as antidiabetic agents. In diabetic patients, the insulin is not produced properly. That insulin is produced from the beta cell which are present in the pancreas. So to stimulate for the release of insulin, we have to use some types of the drug. That drug is called antidiabetic drug. Example is the tolbutamide, and second one is a glyburide. Fifth type is anti-inflammatory drug. This drug which attacks only on the control inflammation, means to reduce the inflammation. That drug is very useful. In case of accident, there is some inflammation is happened on the hand or leg or any other part of the body, that inflammation is gets decreased by using this drug. That's why that drug is called anti-inflammatory drug. Example is ibuprofen. Sixth one is sedatives. Sedatives are the central nervous system depressants that reduce the restlessness and emotional tension without producing the sleep. In this case, there is no sleep given to the patients. Example is a barbiturate. Overdose of sedatives results into the death. 7 type is hypnotics. These are central nervous system depressants that produces sleep to produce the restlessness and the emotional tension. The patients cannot be easily awaked until effect of hypnotics wear out. Example is trichloroethanol and the tribromoethanol. 8th type is tranquilizers. Tranquilizers are the drugs which are used in the treatment of mental disorders. This produces improvement in the mood and behavior of the patients suffering from the mental disorder. It reduces the mental tension. Example is the rizatriptan. The second type of classification of the drug depends upon the chemotherapeutic agents. These drugs are used in the treatment of infectious diseases, that is pathological states. These diseases are caused by the certain species of protozoa, fungi, bacteria and viruses. Chemotherapy means chemical treatment. The first one is anti-malarial drug. The chemical agent which is used to kill or stop the growth of malarial parasites is known as anti-malarial drug. Example is chloroquine is an anti-malarial drug used against the Plasmodium vivax. Antibacterial drug. The chemical substance used to kill or stop the growth of action of bacteria is known as antibacterial drug. Example is sulfanylamide. The third type is antifungal drug. The chemical substance used to kill or stop the growth of fungi is known as antifungal drug. Example is sulfadiazine. Antiseptic. The chemical substance used to prevent the growth of microorganisms as long as it remain in contact with them. Antiseptic agents used to directly to the skin wound. Example is the mandelic acid and the Dettol. The next one is antibiotics. It is the chemical substance produced by the living cell which is capable of inhibiting the life process of the microorganisms or destroying the microorganisms. It requires in a small amount. Example is penicillin and the streptomycin. Sixth type is antitubercular drug. The drug which works against the tuberculosis is known as antitubercular drug. Example is isoniazid, para-amino salicylic acid. Tuberculosis is infectious disease which is caused in man by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Due to this, about 1 to 2 million people die every year due to this disease. Antiviral agent, the drug which is used to kill the viruses or to cure the viral disease. Example is methicillin. 8th, disinfectant. The chemical substance which is used to avoid the infections from the viruses, fungi, bacteria are called disinfectants. Example is ethanol. Nowadays which are used in the sanitizers or in the hand wash. Another example is camphor. Another we can use nowadays against COVID is sodium hypochlorite. The synthesis and uses of some of the drug. First one is paracetamol, which is prepared from the phenol. Phenol on nitration with nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is used. A mixture of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Paranitrophenol is the major product which is used for further reaction. This paranitrophenol on reduction of the NO2 group into NH2 group by using the T9 concentrated HCl, we will get here the para-aminophenol. This para-aminophenol on acylation with acetic anhydride which takes place on this NH2 group, this one hydrogen atom and this Cl group removes as HCl, and there is formation of NHC double bond or CH3 bond, that is called the paracetamol. At para position OH group is there, at 4 position NHCOCH3 group is present. Its usage is paracetamol is used as antipyretic drug. The second use is anesthetics. Second drug is aspirin, which is prepared from the salicylic acid. It is prepared from the salicylic acid by refluxing with acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine. This is the salicylic acid, this is the acetic anhydride, means CH3 C double bond or twice O in presence of pyridine. It gives acylated, this OH group get acylated, and there is formation of the aspirin. Aspirin is used as analgesics. Second use is used as antipyretic. The third use anti-rheumatic agents. Third one is very important, that is isoniazide. When 4-cyanopyridine is refluxed with aqueous KOH, it gives amide. This is a 4-cyanopyridine. At 4 number position, cyano group is there containing C triple bond N. This on action with aqueous KOH, on refluxing it gives C double bond ONH2, that is called as isonicotinamide, which on reaction with hydrazine, this NH2 group and this 1H group gives NH3 minus, and here is C double bond NH2. That is called the isoniazide, which is very useful for the anti-tubercular drug. The fourth one is also important, benzocaine. Para-nitrotoluene. This is a para-nitrotoluene. On oxidation of the CH3 group with KMNO4, it is converted into the COH group. This COH group on reaction with ethanol and SCl means esterification, it will get converted into this ester group, C double bond O C2H5. At 4 number position, NO2 group is present, which on reduction with T9 concentrated HCl we will get here the benzocaine. It is used as anesthetics. Second use is in the treatment of hypodermic infection. The fifth drug is sulfanylamide from acetanilide. This is acetanilide NaC double bond CH3 on reaction with chlorosulfonic acid. This is the OH group, this is SO2, and this is the Cl group. This OH group given out, and this H group here given out as H2O. The SO2Cl is present here at 4 number position. On reaction with NH3, one hydrogen atom from NH3 and one chlorine from this side, here is formation of SO2NH2. This group gets removed by using the NaOH, aqueous NaOH. Here is a formation of NH2 group. That compound is called sulfanylamide. It is used in the treatment for the pneumonia, blood poisoning, scarlet fever. Sulfa drugs are more effective with less toxicity. It is used in the antibiotics. It is used as anti-tubercular drug. Sulfadiazine is prepared from the 2-aminopyrimidine. It is prepared by condensation reaction of acetanilide sulfonyl chloride on reaction with 2-aminopyrimidine. This is the 2-aminopyridine at 2 number position. NH2 group is present. At 1,3 position, nitrogen atom is present in the ring, that is called 2-aminopyridine. On condensation reaction, it gives this compound, which on reaction with NaOH we will get here the sulfadiazine. It is used in the number of infectious diseases like the pneumococcal. Second is used in the Friedlander bacillus. The third one is it is used in the meningococcal disease. The seventh drug is tolbutamide. It is prepared from the paratoluene sulfonyl chloride. This is paratoluene sulfonyl chloride. On reaction with this urea, their Cl group gets removed, and this hydrogen, one of the hydrogen from NH2 gets removed at SCl, and here is formation of SO2 NH C double bond O NH2. This on reaction with butyl N-butyl chloride, on in presence of NaOH and H2SO4 we will get here the tolbutamide. This NH group and this one hydrogen and this Cl group removes again another SCl molecule, and there is formation of NH, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3, that is called the tolbutamide. It is used in anti-diabetic agents. 8th and last one is polydrine. It is prepared by treatment of diazodized parachloroaniline with cyanoguanidine, which is further reacts with the isopropylamine. This is a parachlorobenzene diazonium chloride on reaction with cyanoguanidine. At 4 number position, Cl group is present. Here is N double bond NCl. This is called diazonium chloride. On removal of HCl and nitrogen, it will form this compound. On reaction with this compound isopropylamine, we will get here this polydrine. This is the polydrine synthesis from parachlorobenzene diazonium chloride. Thanks for watching all the videos. The second part of this synthetic dyes we will cover in the next video. Thanks for watching.